Hi there, this is 3 set practice, another word application. It's video section 3.30. I really think these questions have become kind of formulaic. They're kind of all following the same pattern, which is a little disappointing, but it makes for good practice. So pause the video, do the question. Either check the answers in the answer key or online on Brightspace, which is probably where they will be, or you can watch the rest of the video. All right, 33 US cities with large populations were surveyed to determine whether they had a baseball, a football, or a basketball. Okay, so baseball, basketball, oops, I got them in wrong order. Oh well. Okay, football's down to the bottom there. So before I go any further, that's all. Base and basket. I'm sure I've said this in every video. You don't need to do this part, but I don't know, it just helps me a lot. So I know where all my intersections are and I'm not having to double check all of them. All right, so this is a sweet question. It tells me right away that I've got 5 in the middle. All right, so it says 11 had baseball and football. There's baseball and football. So there's 11 in this entire intersection, but I already counted 5. And leave me 6. Check. 7 had baseball and basketball. Okay. 7 minus the 5 had all 3. It's going to give me 2. Excuse me. And I'm going to start highlighting my numbers so I don't lose them. All right, we should have one more. 9 had football and basketball. So football, basketball is 9 minus the 5 I already counted there, which leaves me 4. $16 had baseball, so that's 16 here. Minus, now we're going to take away all the ones that we already counted. That's maybe 6 for the ones that had baseball and football. We're going to take away 5 ones that have all 3 teams. And we're going to take away 2 for the teams that also had, for the cities that also had a basketball team. I think it's 3. All right, so there's only 3 cities that had just baseball. Now for basketball, minus the 2 we counted here, minus the 5 we counted there, minus the 4 we counted there. Let's see, 4. That's 10, 6, 4. Okay. And for football, there were 17 minus the 6 we counted here, minus the 5 we counted there, minus the 4 we counted there, and that's probably 2, but I just really don't want to screw up. Minus 11, 4. Okay, I'm going to redo that because I really messed it up. 17 minus 6 minus 9 minus 4. That gives me 2. through a check and see how we do. 3 and 2, 4. So just baseball and basketball, just basketball. Baseball and football, 3. Basketball and football is 4. 1, 2. 26. 3 and 2, there's 10, there's 9. All right, so that means not everybody had them. Oh, where's my room here? How many teams had only football? There we go. I had baseball or football. All right. So that means I just take out that much because I need everything that is in my baseball circle and everything that is in my football circle. Hide that. 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. Now, I'm thinking that should be 22. I'll explain my reasoning in a sec. Oops. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 11 plus 6, 22. Now, the reason I knew 22, not because I was adding this in my head, but I knew all of our numbers here added to 26, and there's 4 that I wasn't counting. Probably could have done it faster with, you could have just started with the 16 for baseball and then added on these guys. That works too. So there's lots of different ways to do these. See, how many cities had both basketball and football? No, sorry, I got to read it right. Baseball and football. Where's baseball and football? Here it is. Had both, but not basketball. So there we go. That's 6. And how many had exactly 2 teams? That's a different question. All right, so there are 6 here that had exactly baseball and football. Plus, there was 2 up there that had baseball and basketball. Plus 4 here that had baseball and football. So, give me 12. And that is the end of that. I'm hoping you have worked through all of these. Probably at the point of being bored of doing it. And that's good. Bored is good because then when you go to write your test and you're feeling anxious, it's like, just another one of these days. Have a great day.